Now that we've learned about present value, let's put Excel's present value function to work. Let's say you won a small lotto prize. You're given the choice to receive $1,000 today or $1,300 in 2 years. The interest rate is currently 15%. What option should you choose? Okay, let's go into our Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the present value function tab. Okay, we don't actually have to do anything for the payment today because remember, any money that you receive today is already in present value. However, for option 2, we do need to calculate present value. To use Excel's present value function, type equals PV, and let's open the parentheses and see the arguments it takes in. It has 5 arguments, 3 required, and 2 optional. It has rate, which is the discount rate, NPER, which is the number of periods, payment, which is any reoccurring payment every period, future value, the future value of your money, and then finally, the type, meaning is the compounding happening at the beginning or end of your period. Okay, let's try using it. So our rate is our 15%. I'm going to lock our reference here. Our NPER is 2 because we're trying to find the present value of that $1,300. Our payment is 0, so we're not going to include it. And then finally, the future value of our money is $1,300. I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter. And now we can see that Excel actually gives us negative $982. Why might this be? It's because Excel is calculating the present value of what I would need to invest today in order to get this $1,300 in 2 years' time. In other words, in order to have a payout of $1,300 in 2 years, I would need to invest $982, which would be a cash outflow. However, for the sake of our example, I don't need to pay anything because I won the lottery. So I'm going to go into my present value formula and then go ahead and negate our future value here. Hit enter, and now we can see that Excel has properly calculated the present value of that $1,300. Based on our analysis, we should take the payment today because the present value of the payment today is higher than the payment in 2 years.